Hello students, I welcome you all to my class. Today we are going to study a new topic from the chapter sound. We know that we human beings can hear sounds, right? Then can a person with normal audibility hear all sounds? No. We human beings cannot hear sounds of all frequencies. It means there is a limit to the frequency of sound that can be heard by human beings. Here the limits of audibility of a human being is 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Human beings can hear the sound of frequencies between 20 Hz and 20,000 Hz. For a person with normal hearing capacity, the lower limit of audibility is about 20 Hz and the highest limits of audibility is about 20,000 Hz. Lower limit of audibility of a human being is 20 Hz and the highest limit of audibility of a human being is 20,000 Hz. Here in this picture showing the range of audibility of different species. Each species hear different frequency of sound. For example, in here the bat, the lower limit of audibility of a bat is 1000 Hz. And the higher limit of audibility of a bat is 120,000 Hz. Next we are going to study about infrasonic sounds. The sounds with the frequency of less than 20 Hz are called infrasonic sounds. Examples for infrasonic sounds are earthquakes, lightning, and the sounds produced by whales. Next we are going to study about ultrasonic sounds. The sounds with a frequency greater than 20,000 Hz are called ultrasonic sounds. The examples for ultrasonic sounds are: first is the frequency of sound produced by Galton whistle is an example for ultrasonic sounds. In Galton whistle, the frequency of 30,000 Hz are produced. We know that the human being's higher limit of audibility is 20,000 Hz. But in the case of Galton whistle produces a frequency of sounds 30,000. That's why human beings cannot hear the sounds produced from Galton whistle. Next, bats can produce and hear ultrasonic waves. Do you know how bats easily travel at night? There's a video showing how bats can easily travel at night. Here, the bats produces ultrasonic sound waves which hits the obstacles that is in front of them and reflect back in the form of echoes. So, bats can detect the obstacles that is in front of them. Next, we discuss about the uses of ultrasonic sound waves. First use is ultrasonic sound waves are used in the instrument sonar to measure the depth of the ocean. Next use is ultrasonic sound waves are also used in the medical field for diagnosis and treatment. So I am going to consolidate the class. First we learn about the limits of audibility of a human being, that is 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Next we learn about infrasonic sound waves. Sounds with a frequency of less than 20 Hz are called infrasonic sound waves. Next we learn about ultrasonic sounds. Sounds with frequencies greater than 20 Hz are called ultrasonic sounds. Next we discussed about the uses of ultrasonic sounds. We discussed about two uses. Now we do a follow-up activity. There is a question here. The sound produced by Galton whistle cannot be heard by a human being, but dogs can hear. Why? I hope you understand the class. So thank you.